Hello there, my friend, and welcome. If you are wondering how fast can you start making money with digital marketing, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Could you start making money in days, months, weeks, or years? The answer could actually surprise you. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be breaking down the factors that could actually affect you in making money, in starting to make money with digital marketing, how you can speed up the process, and realistic expectations to have as well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of 2 children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I'm currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to work on building my side hustles. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles, banging my head against the wall as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I had been there, done that. From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. I always felt like I had an expensive hobby. I was spending more money than I was actually making online. And it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren, she went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. Now I'm actually learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into DMs of strangers. And what I love about the program is, even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. So if you're wondering how fast can you start making money with digital marketing, it depends. Do you have a product that you're selling, and what percentage commissions are you earning from that product or product? Are you getting $10, 25 cents, whatever it is, right? How much do you have an offer that you have? What percentage are you getting from that? And how many of those products do you have to sell in order to make a decent amount of commissions, right? And do you have an audience? Do you have a following? Do you have an email list? That this is also going to come into play. And what platforms are you using to actually build your business? Are you using social media? Are you using organic methods, paid methods? Are you using SEO, blogging? Because organic methods actually take time to build up. And if you're using paid methods, you could get results faster, right? And then you have to be consistent as well in building your business. So how consistent are you? What kind of skill sets do you have? What kind of mindset do you have? How focused are you on your income producing activities? Are you committed to taking daily action to help you achieve your goals? Okay, so there's different ways that you can actually make money faster. You could do affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products for commission. You could do freelancing on Fiverr, on Upwork. You could actually create your own digital products, and there's different things that you could do, right? But the way I do it, and the fastest way to actually make money, is to use the business model called master resale rights. This is where you buy a product once and you get the rights to resell it over and over again and get paid 100% commission. So instead of getting like a percentage from affiliate offers, like maybe 50%, you sell a $900 item, for instance, and maybe you make $400, right? You could actually do master resale rights, where you sell a $900 item and you get the whole $900 paid instantly and directly to you. That's how you can actually get paid. You can actually make money on digital marketing faster. So what I want to do is I want to share with you our community of digital marketers and share with you some of the wins that are shared in our community to give you an idea of the kind of money that you can actually make from digital marketing. So I'm just going to go to the wins section here. This is our private community of like-minded entrepreneurs. I'll just go for the best, last year so far. Let's see, okay? So let's see. I'm just going to see. Well, like here, Nicole in February said she earned 100,000 in 9 months, and she's like, "Pinch me, right? Never did I ever think that I would start an online business and quit my 2 jobs." So she was able to replace her income and quit her jobs and focus on online. Okay. I'm going to share personal here. Victoria is congratulating another 6-figure earner. Tony is in shock and he's shaking. His video went viral. Daryl in May he became a 6-figure earner. Earned 100,000. He's actually gone on to earn 300,000, 3 times as much in a year. Victoria, a year in, she actually bought she built this home here using the commissions that she'd earned. She's a mom of 3 boys, an army wife. Carrie here, 71,000 in 6 weeks, right? So these are just some of the wins that we have in our community. Daryl here, boom, he moved on to 200,000 in 8 months, and then now he's on 300,000 in a year. It's absolutely amazing. Renee said 1,200 a day. She'd earned 70,000 up until that point, okay? Let's see, Amy, I think we've already seen Amy. Carrie, Tim, last 7 days, wow. Darren, January last year, he woke up to 600 premium sale. Tim made 27,000, and in February, that was halfway through February. Shirley, achievement achieved. I hit 50,000 with the program, so Shirley made 50,000, and so on and so forth, right? Amale became a South African millionaire. She started with $100 in our program and went on to make a millionaire in South African rands, right? So this is our community here of like-minded entrepreneurs. In the past year, we have over 20,000 pages of wins, just different types of wins. So you can make money with digital marketing. You just have to have a strategy, and you have to follow a proven step-by-step system. So if you would like to learn more about how you can, if you'd like to learn more about our 6-figure step-by-step blueprint, I invite you to click the link below to get a free copy of our 10K in 30 days live interactive guide. When I deliver the guide to you via email, feel free to respond to the email. Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.